Rishi. I am studying in second standard GMHPS study.
Okay, state some capital
States
cities.
and capital cities. Yes.
Okay, Andhra Pradesh,
Amaravati,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Dispur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Goa,
Panaji,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Jammu and Kashmir,
Srinagar, Jambu,
Jharkhand,
Raichi,
Karnataka,
Bengaluru,
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Impal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Mizoram,
Haridwar,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswari,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Sikkim,
Bangkok,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Tripura,
Agartala,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
West Bengal,
Kolkata,
Uttarakhand.
Dehradun.
Odiri Chapali, very good.